kim la ban căm lên căn rong trình yêu bi trình một trong là kinh nóng khi.
Hello guys, hello everyone, Meghallian people, Khasi people, welcome back everyone. This is Gabs Gabi from South Sudan. Welcome bro.
Thank you guys. I'm David or Don Davy in Instagram, Don Davy01. So
Yeah.
I'm so happy to be here. I appreciate you guys having me today. Actually, Gabs called and I have to answer. I love what he's doing, so
Thank you so much.
yeah.
This
Thank
is
you.
Don David from Nigeria, okay? Yeah, not Don of India. So today we are going to check SATI KSIAR music video. Naka what? Film, something like that. SATI KSIAR.
Naka Phlim.
Yeah. I feel like it is like Hindi word, like KSIAR. SATI KSIAR. I don't know. Is it like
You guys should just
you
explain
just
to us.
let us know? But I feel like it's a Hindi word. Okay. So we're gonna check this reaction video and make sure to subscribe, guys. Join the African family. Let's go.
Yeah.
Start. This is our music. I think this is a music for a film music. Transition is nice.
Hi đây cắt cho ba ngaya ngayo siêu ya kasur ba wan ban ba siêu hanga.
Love song.
Hi đây cắt cho ba ngaya ngayo siêu ya kasur ba wan ban ba siêu hanga. Ngâm tiếng ngầm smith ya pi ban yo i kaca bangayan surba siang kawan ya ngaban kersiu kunjing posmi hide iba kodor tam
Yes, you who is watching.
kiwe kim la ban kam lên căn rong trình yêu bi trình một trong là kinh nóng khi để khi ba cô đô tâm khi với kim la ban căm lẽ căn rong trình yêu bi trình một trong là kinh nóng khi.
Cho pi khát chính ngàn tay ban lo cả xa khi cùng nó ya ngáp hình say mà đó nó cho pi khát chính ngàn tay ban lo cả xa khi Astang banji ngam ting ngam smith na benta trong pi wala kula pin yo i na pi ngam na bangkir ngan pendeng ya pi da i SATI KSIAR pi da i ba kor tam kiwe kin na bangkam kan rong jing yêu bi jing một trong akin khi pi de iba kor tam ki
she's short. Okay. Now we came to know how short she is.
Yeah,
But it's nice.
It's nice.
It's very nice.
It's part of the love now.
Yeah, it's part of the love. That is why love has been like people should be what to care for each other. If she's short, then you have to leave her.
Yeah.
Love means caring and supporting. Yeah.
You know that
The-
we were meant to react at the middle of the video, but the video took us unaware.
The video was so beautiful, like the flows, the lyrics. It couldn't make me like to use the video in between and to speak. Like
Yeah.
I felt like I'm part of it. I was enjoying the lyric, like the story. It was so nice.
Yeah. Yeah.
Such music you don't need to use. You have to
Yes.
listen to
Just
it.
to listen.
It's a very peaceful.
If it's Nigerian, then they will say that music must enter your spirit.
Yeah, in the intro actually, we
Yeah.
felt the music is so nice, and the actors they are also
They were good.
they are so good.
Mm.
They are looking good, and they also match, and they just made it amazing. They made it amazing. Plus the nature,
Yeah.
plus the nature, everything so nice.
For those that are depressed,
Yeah,
Yeah,
it is
so-
written like Khasi film. So this music belongs to a film. It's a film music
yeah.
video.
they are
Yeah.
trying to tell all of us to give love a chance. In case you are depressed, just maybe you met the wrong person at the wrong time. But we know that, and I think that you will meet the good one. So you can see we are Africans. We don't understand the language, but we felt the music and we couldn't even stop for reaction. We have to watch it to the end.
Yeah,
Which
we were reading subtitle and it was
it was
the
nice.
flow was good.
So all of us were born in love. All of
Yeah.
us were created by love. So we should allow love to always lead us.
Exactly.
Okay. Yeah.
Thank you
guys.
so much. Don't forget
We
subscribe,
appreciate it.
guys. See you next time.